we got here. Just a drill bit at the end, just for the rivets. Drill those out. A couple pick tools just to kind of get in those hard angles. And this is the bolt that holds down the seat. 10 millimeter fits right on top of this. Get that right out, but there's some tools you need to tackle this job.
All right, grab it and pull back and then out. And you come to the back seat, move it all the way forward. A 10 millimeter bolt, 10 millimeter. Remove these plastic pieces. They will break if you don't. You have that off, you slide that back. A little pressure clip right here. Move the seat back. This bolt right here.
That's a 10 mil as well?
Yes. It's off this bolt. That way you can get the seat up. Right down here, there is some little push clips that's holding this bracket. It's hiding this bracket to that bracket. So you get a little pry tool.
And you're tuning it up?
Yes.
Okay.
That way you have a little bit more room we can work on in here. Okay. This little pry tool in here. These little pry clips. Grab one at a time and start pulling. And release the pressure on it. And you got one right here. And then it comes up to the top. So you got the bottom part taken down. Now you have the top pieces that are clipped into it. Just kind of pull up.
Oh, that was this back clip that attached right here?
Yeah, that was this little thing right here.
Okay.
It went to that hole right there. Just give it a little release. Well, now we can actually get to that clip's already undone. it went like that. Stick a screwdriver in there, pry on it, pull it up. Same thing with the front, the other side, and the rear. That clip off, and then there's actually 2 more smaller clips you can pull from the bottom. Give me that one right there, and then this one right there, and the seat should come up. Go ahead, pull the seat out, clip off. Now you do have heating element plugged in. This one right here, white one. Just push that clip. It just slides out. There's a little slide clip and a slide clip that goes out. Now the seat's out. Down, clip in, in, in. So to put it back in, that strap goes down, that strap goes down.
Okay.
Make sure you have the weather stripping, the heating element go around the bar right there.
Okay.
And then it's a little tricky with this foam. You want to get it past that bar.
Okay.
So use your fingers, whatever you have to do to get it
Push down in
in
there.
its spot. And it might need to come from the move it up some. We got that rivet hole drilled out. There's still a rivet there. We need to get that out. That rivet hole's good right there. Alright, so that's not a good spot. So now we got a hole started. Screw through there. Get them tight. If you have a rivet gun, you put the rivet through there. Squeeze. There you go, that part. And then we have one more here. You don't go with the tap screw. You drill a little hole The metal's kind of hard. You want to line this all up right. That hole is going to go there and there. It's going to go around that piece of metal. And push. That clips right there. So that's all there. Start from the top. Or clip. Clip. All right, and now you have the bottom. These clips right here.
Just push them right back in.
And that front one too. Push in. Pull out some. All right, so I'm clipped in. Everything's all nice and tight. That part's done.